All right, listen up. Look at me. Right here, right now. Because what I'm about to share with you is the key. The key that separates the winners from everyone else. The secret, the edge. The one thing that's going to put you leagues ahead of the competition. And that secret? It's not just about talent. It's not just about how smart you are or how much money you've got in the bank right now. No, it's about something deeper. It's about your mindset. Not just any mindset, the growth mindset. It's the single most powerful thing you can develop if you want to win in this game called life. This is the mindset that allows you to take control, to take a hit, bounce back stronger, and keep pushing forward no matter what. And trust me when I say, this is the secret behind every great fortune, every monumental success story out there. So let me break it down for you. Let me show you how adopting this mindset will turn you into an unstoppable force in business, in wealth building, in life. Step 1, you have to believe you can grow. Imagine this, you're trading stocks, and every time you see a market dip, you panic. You see a loss, you freak out, and you sell. But here's what you're missing. That dip? That's opportunity. That's where the real money's made. The winners, the ones who succeed, they see a dip and they think, how do I turn this into a win? That's the growth mindset. The belief that you can improve, adapt, grow, no matter what. It's seeing every challenge, every setback, every failure as nothing more than a stepping stone. That's the magic. When you walk into any situation, whether it's a business meeting, a deal negotiation, or a tough day, you've got to believe that you're not stuck. That you have the power to get better, to push through, to overcome. You're not born a winner, you become one. Winners aren't created by luck, they're built by the decisions they make, the mindset they adopt, and the way they see the world. Step 2, failure is fuel. I'll tell you right now, you will fail. And if you haven't failed yet, you're not aiming high enough. But the key, the real differentiator between the winners and the losers, is how you react to that failure. You see, failure is like a bad trade. It's only permanent if you walk away. But if you learn from it, if you analyze what went wrong, if you come back stronger, that's where the growth mindset comes in. Failure isn't the end of the road. It's a detour that takes you to a better destination. I want you to think about every setback you faced, every loss you've taken, whether in business, in life, or in your personal goals. Now I want you to reframe it. It wasn't a loss. It was a lesson. Winners don't see failure as a reason to stop, they see it as fuel. It's what drives them forward, what pushes them to adapt and get better. Step 3, invest in yourself, like you're the highest yield asset. In the financial world, we're always looking for the next big thing, the next big asset that's going to give us the highest returns. But here's the thing, you've got the greatest asset right in front of you. It's you. If you want to play at a high level, you have to be willing to invest in yourself. Just like a smart investor puts money into the right stocks, into growing markets, into companies that have massive potential. You've got to put time, energy, and resources into growing your own potential. That means learning, improving, stretching yourself. It means reading books, listening to mentors, seeking out opportunities to grow. You can't expect to win big if you're stuck in the same place, doing the same things day after day. You've got to treat yourself like the most valuable stock in the market. Put in the work, invest in your skills, your knowledge, your mindset, and you'll watch as the returns on that investment come back tenfold. Step 4, embrace the challenge. It's where winners are made. I want you to picture a stock market that only goes up. No volatility, no dips, no challenges. Just a straight, smooth upward climb. Sounds perfect, right? Wrong. Because without the challenges, without the fluctuations, without the dips, there's no opportunity. There's no room to grow. There's no way to really win. It's the same thing in life and business. If everything's easy, you're not growing. You're not becoming the best version of yourself. That's why the winners, the real success stories, love the challenge. They thrive in it. They see it as the place where they're going to push themselves, break past their limits, and come out stronger. The growth mindset embraces the challenge. It's what keeps you going when others give up. It's what makes you look at obstacles and say, bring it on. Because you know that every challenge is an opportunity to get better, to grow, to become more. Step 5. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. You know the saying, your network is your net worth. And I'll tell you this, the people you surround yourself with are either lifting you up or dragging you down. There's no middle ground. If you're hanging around with people who have a fixed mindset, people who are stuck, people who believe they've hit their peak, people who complain about every challenge, they're going to hold you back. They're going to drag you down into mediocrity. But when you surround yourself with winners, with people who see every challenge as an opportunity, with people who push themselves to grow, to evolve, to reach higher, that's when you start to thrive. You start to rise to their level. So ask yourself, are the people in your life pushing you to be better, or are they keeping you comfortable? Because comfort is the enemy of growth. Get uncomfortable. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, who force you to grow, who won't let you settle for anything less than greatness. Step 6. Consistency is the game changer. We've all seen those people who burst onto the scene, right? They come out of nowhere, they hit big with a deal, a business, an idea, and then they disappear just as fast. You know why? Because they don't have consistency. Consistency is the unsung hero of success. It's not glamorous, it's not flashy, but it's the most important thing. It's what separates the one-hit wonders from the legends. Growth isn't about making one big move. It's about making consistent moves every single day. Just like in the financial markets, where small, consistent gains over time lead to massive wealth, your growth will compound if you're consistent. It's showing up, doing the work every day. Not just when you feel like it, not just when things are going your way, but when it's hard, when it's boring, when it's challenging. That's where the winners are made. Step 7. Focus on the long game. The real wealth builders do. Let me ask you something. Are you playing for short-term wins, or are you in it for the long haul? Because if you're just looking for the quick hit, the fast payday, you're thinking small. The real winners, the ones who build empires, they're playing the long game. They understand that true success isn't built in a day, or a month, or even a year. It's built over time, through consistent effort, through continual growth, through smart decisions compounded over decades. You want to be a legend? Start thinking like one. Stop looking for shortcuts. Stop looking for the easy way. Commit to the long game, to the continual process of growing, evolving, improving. That's where the real wealth is built. Conclusion: adopt the growth mindset and you become unstoppable. So here's the bottom line. If you want to win big, if you want to dominate in business, in life, in wealth, you need the growth mindset. This is the mindset that says, I can always get better. I can always learn. I can always grow. It's about seeing every challenge as an opportunity, every failure as fuel, every setback as a stepping stone to something greater. The winners, the true legends, they aren't the ones who start with the most. They're the ones who keep growing, keep pushing, keep evolving. They're the ones who refuse to stay stagnant, who believe in their ability to get better every single day. That's the growth mindset. That's the winner's secret. And if you adopt it, if you live by it, there's nothing that can stop you.